Alright, welcome back guys to all the new videos. So today I'll be showing you how this new Apai Genie work. So as you can see right behind me is on the tripod there. So I set it up on my tripod. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on the tripod. So that's the tripod right here. So I'm going to show you how it works. But first I'm going to let it pick up your face. Alright, so if I want to take a picture, I just stand still and pose to the camera and I take my picture. So, yeah. Okay, so if I want to take my picture, I just stand still and I take my picture. And there you go, we take my picture right here. So I'm going to take another one. And there you go. So I just take the picture and it's right here on the screen. So guys, that's how it works. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.